Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to mod your RadJet for 230k an hour. So if you want your RadJet to do this, and this, keep watching. First up, what you have to do is with your canopy you want to cut some intake holes into it. What I've done is cut a square there, and underneath I've cut away the foam just to allow the air to flow straight through. For the rest of the deck, I've cut away the baffles that were in the middle there, and also cut the exit hole for the air to escape. And for the electronics, I've got a TURNIGY Plush 60 amp speedy. For the motor, I've got an NTM prop drive 3536, and it's 1800 kV, which is on the stock motor mount. I did have to take away some of the material to allow for the bigger mounting pattern, and I've actually used one of the motor mounts, basically cut down to size and placed that behind just to act like a big washer and help support it all. And for the prop, I've got a 5.5 by 4.5, and it's APC brand. For the elevons, I made some out of this trailing edge balsa, which is a lot stronger than the stock ones, and I've actually used this type of hinge, a couple of these, as a good hinge joint. Now I would normally cover it with this white film, but I simply didn't have enough. So normally they would blend in, but they'll do fine like this. For reinforcing the wing, I've got two 10mm carbon rods going straight through the middle of the wing. And those carbon rods are actually installed before you put the cover plate on, and finish about in line with the servo. If you go any further, the wing gets too thin and you risk actually punching them through the other side. I do have a couple of smaller ones, which are about 4mm, 5mm wide strips, just for a little bit extra towards the end. And for the battery, I use a 1300 mAh 6 cell, which sits flush with this surface here, and requires no modding, no cutting or removing of any of the foam, so it's nice and easy. So it really is that easy to get your RadJet to 230k's an hour. Any questions or comments, just pop them down below. I've put links in the video description for all the products I've used, so log on, use the links, and it'll be nice and easy for you to buy. Until next time, see you later. Looks like we got two wing halves here. Now the motor can actually come straight apart. Someone should push him now. Kick him in the butt.